I therefore declare that Jessica and Brian are phenomenon, two people, united as one.
Where did my wings go?
This commitment, as we understand it, is made voluntarily and fully by the two partners. It is made in the deepest sense and is entered with the desire, the hope, and the firm intention that it will last for life.
It was all just a lie. No one on earth can fly. Thought the things you said.
If you treat each other kindly, with compassion and with trust, and always let your tender feelings show.
Trusting you, you said if I believed enough, I would fly.
From the moment you whisper I do, and with luck, all your hopes and your dreams can be real. Jessica and Brian, I join together in my presence and the presence of your witness. I want to remind you publicly of the solemn, serious, and the binding nature of the relationship into which you are now about to enter.
And the voice of reason I need to hear. You're my home in human form. I have big shoes to fill, but I promise to do my best to be that safe place for you.
I would fly.
As your husband, I vow to always unconditionally love you, even if you ask me a million questions. I vow to always tell you I love you every morning and every night, whether we are happy or not.
I therefore declare that Jessica and Brian are phenomenon, two people, united as one. May you always live together in peace